Hello and welcome to the installation guide for our Showerwall Acrylic range. These sleek, polished, glass-like panels deliver a 100% waterproof option that offers a hygienic, wipe-clean surface ideal for the modern bathroom. In this video, we will guide you through the quick and easy same-day installation of Showerwall acrylic panels. Before you begin, ensure you are familiar with your pattern configuration indicated by coloured dots. Before we get cracking, here are the products you'll need. Please note that acrylic panels are adhered to the wall with Showerwall's clear silicone sealant. Please ensure you refer to the full installation instructions for reference on cutting blades. And you'll need these tools. Please note that you should not peel the backing off the panel. OK, let's get started. First up, measure the width and height and location of the water supply. Then measure and cut panel 1 accordingly. You can use either a jigsaw or circular saw for cutting acrylic panels. Refer to the full installation instructions for blades. Now mark your water supply cutouts. Make sure you cut larger than required to allow for expansion. Any internal square cuts will need to have the corners drilled prior to cutting, as sharp 90-degree corners will crack the acrylic. When panel 1 is ready, apply vertical beads of Showerwall clear sealant to the wall 100 mm apart. Now fix the panel to the wall, making sure you allow a 3 mm expansion gap at the internal corner. Use a straight edge to press the panel against the wall at regular intervals. For panel 2, apply the sealant as before, then fix to the wall, remembering to maintain a 3 mm expansion gap to the face of panel 1. Then press the panel with a straight edge, as previous. Next, we apply sealant down the internal corner and butterflush to make sure there are no gaps within the seal, before finally applying sealant across the shower tray and profile. Once completed, you will have a beautiful shower wall that is 100% waterproof, 25 times more shock resistant than glass, and comes with a 30-year guarantee for good measure. To find out more about the custom colours and images available in this range, visit showerwall.co.uk.